He failed 100 times. Everyone told him to quit. They said, "It's not for you." But he didn't stop because, deep down, he knew he wasn't done yet. Every time he tried, something went wrong. He lost money, friends, confidence, even himself. Nights felt endless. He questioned his worth. But failure became his teacher. Each mistake showed him a better way. Each rejection built his patience. And one night, after failure number 100, he didn't cry. He smiled because he finally understood, "I'm not starting over. I'm starting smarter." He changed his mindset. He stopped chasing results and started improving his process. Slowly, things began to work. People noticed. Opportunities came. One day, after 100 failures, he finally won. Not because he was lucky, but because he refused to quit. Success doesn't come after one win. It comes after 100 lessons. So if you're failing right now, remember this. You're not behind. You're in training. Don't give up before your miracle happens, because maybe it's just one more try away. Learn English through stories that inspire your soul. Subscribe for more life lessons in English. Your story isn't over yet.